All right, this week's Fundamental, we have a special guest, Dave Moluski. We're on a job site here doing a sinkhole for a client we've had for years, and it's going to be get clear on expectations. So Dave, talk to us about what we just did today and for the project and this week's Fundamental.
Well, when you're setting your expectations, there's two things you need to do. First, make sure the customer understands what you're doing, and then make sure that the crew is clear on what you've communicated to the customer. So when we came out here, we explained to the customer that we're going to do an exploratory dig, and we took the time to make sure he understood what that was. It was a saw cut, dig down to the pipe, determine what the issue was, and then we would be able to fix it based on that. There might be a price change, there might not. He was very clear on that up front. We asked him to be out here on site so that he could look into the hole, make a decision with us. He came out here, saw that there was no problem, so we're able to backfill in. When we came on site this morning, the crew was told to saw cut and dig down no deeper than 36 inches, which they did. They stuck to. The pipe was exactly 36 inches down. So we were able to get in and out of here without any damage. The customer saw what was in the ground. We documented with pictures, and everybody's happy. So hopefully we have a customer for a long time.
Excellent. Thanks, Dave. Appreciate it. Great example of getting clear on expectations. All right, not bad.
I'm out of here now.
All right, take care.